This is the Connect and Breathe meditation. Now that you're in your peaceful, distraction-free environment, allow yourself to settle into your seat, whether it's in a chair or on the floor. Sit up straight, feeling your sit bones on the surface of the chair or the floor. Engage slightly in your core and find length through your chest. Tuck your chin in slightly and imagine that there is a string pulling at the top of your head towards the sky. Begin to close your eyes and notice your natural breathing. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, find a stair spot on the floor in front of you. Now, let's begin. Right now, do not force or change your breathing. Just allow your mind to recognize that you are indeed breathing. This is the first step of mindful breathing. Right now, do not force or change your breathing. Just allow your mind to recognize that you are indeed breathing. This is the first step of mindful breathing. Notice the quality of your breath. Is it shallow or is it deep? Is it a longer inhale or a longer exhale? Does your breathing feel easy or constrained? What else do you notice about your breath? Feel yourself inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Use your mouth only if nostril breathing is not possible today. Most breathing for meditation is done through the nose. Sense and feel the cooler air entering in through your nostrils on the inhale and the warm air exiting your nostrils on the exhale. No matter the length of your breath, just notice the feeling of cool and warm air. You are now mindful of your breath. Notice that your breath may have slowed down to a more relaxed pace. Now begin to allow your inhales to be a little bit deeper, but still comfortable. And let your exhales become a little bit longer. Let yourself elongate the breath just enough so you can feel comfortable. It's like you're breathing in peace and sighing out. It's like you're breathing in peace and sighing out any stress on the slow, full exhale. With each breath, your mind feels more relaxed. And with each breath, you are more aware of your body beginning to soften and relax. Take 3 breaths here on your own. Just focus on your breath in the silence, and I'll cue you in a few moments. Notice how relaxed your breath is becoming. Take a moment now and mentally acknowledge any tension you may feel in your body. Just notice where there's tension. Do not attempt to fix it unless you need to. All you need to do is notice the tension. In this next process, you'll be able to release strength and tension in your muscles. You will use breath to guide your awareness through your body, and you'll become mindful of your entire body. Still sitting with your eyes closed, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Breathe, sense, and feel the top of your head. What is the top of your head like? Just notice. You do not need words or descriptions, just feel it. Bring your awareness to your ears and notice what sounds you hear. Let the background noises in the room become a pathway to sense and feel your ears. Notice that some sounds are stronger in one ear, or maybe their sounds are the same. Bring your awareness now to your forehead, your eyebrows, and your eyes. Notice what it feels like to have your eyelids closed over your eyes. It may feel heavy or light. You may see a darkness, or you may see colors. Allow your breath to be grateful for your eyes, and allow yourself to be grateful for the abilities your eyes provide for you. Let your eyes soften and relax for the work they do for you each day. Breathing in and breathing out. Bring your awareness to your nose and continue to feel the cool air on the inhales and the warm air on the exhales. Notice any smells you may experience now and be grateful for your sense of smell. Now move your awareness to your mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. You can let your tongue relax and your jaw soften. Take a moment and be grateful for your sense of taste. Thank your body for allowing you to taste the pleasure of food. Breathing in and breathing out. Move your awareness to your neck and your throat. Breathing in and out. Feel the breath entering and exiting through your throat. Take a moment to be grateful for when your throat feels good, as we tend to only notice our throats when they're sore. Let yourself be grateful for your voice and for speaking and allowing you to voice your truth in this world. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Allow your awareness to move into your chest and lungs. Notice how your breath is guiding you. Your breath is your anchor, keeping you focused on this journey. Feel the rise and fall of your rib cage as you breathe in and out. Remember, if any thoughts come up during this process, just let the thoughts come in and let them go. Bring your focus back to the breath and use your breath to stay mindful through the rest of this body scan. Now let's move through the shoulders, the arms. Bring the energy into your elbows, that awareness into your forearms, hands and fingers. Breathe in through the palms of your hands and breathe out through the center of your palms. Let your arms relax fully as you breathe. Inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness back to your lungs. Breathing in, feel your chest, your torso, and your upper back. Breathing out, feel your heart beating and your lungs continuing to contract. Bring your awareness into your stomach as you breathe. Feel your abdomen and your lower belly. As you breathe, feel these areas relax and especially release any tension that your abdomen may be holding. Be grateful for your digestion and all organs in your body. Let yourself pause here and smile in your stomach and smile in your digestive tract. Then become aware of your low back and your hips. Deep inhale and exhale. Breathing in, feel your thighs, your glutes, and your quads. And as you continue to breathe, move your awareness into your knees, calves, shins, and ankles. Notice where your feet land on the ground. Notice the soles of your feet and bring awareness to your toes. Take a deep breath here and be grateful for your feet. Feel your lower body's connection to the seat and the floor. Notice how grounded you feel and how relaxed you are. Taking a deep breath in and out. Bring your awareness slowly back up through your legs, into your torso and your body, all the way back to your forehead. Let your awareness rest in between the eyebrows at the point called the third eye. Pause here, as this is the center of your intuition. Just become familiar with what it feels like to have your awareness here in your mind's eye. Enjoy the sensations you may feel. You may feel a heaviness, a buzzing in the area between your eyebrows. You may see darkness or you may see color. Take in one more deep breath in and deep breath out. Keeping your awareness here for another breath in and another breath out. Still keeping your eyes closed, recognize that you have completed the scan of the body. Pause with your awareness in your third eye and notice your body and how it feels so relaxed and very much at ease. Your body is at peace, and your mind has also been able to be peaceful as well. Allow yourself to finish this meditation by sitting in silence for a few more moments. Follow the inhales and exhales of your breathing, and remember, any thoughts that come up, just allow them in and let them go. Take a few moments in silence, and I'll cue you in a few moments. You now know that you're able to use this guided meditation anytime that you need to relax. By using your mind to guide you through this body scan, you were able to use your thoughts and your breath together as an anchor for your meditation. Take a few moments and breathe here. Inhaling and one last exhale. Slowly, you can open your eyes. Now that your eyes have become stimulated by objects in the real world, breathe here. Recognize how still and how relaxed your body feels, and embrace this feeling of peace. Remember that you can come back and meditate to this video at any time. You're learning a whole new skill that you can bring with you for the rest of your life. You can pause during work and breathe like this. You can hold your awareness in your hands while you're washing the dishes. And you can watch your nephew's soccer game or stand in line at a grocery store and just do a body scan, just like this. You can do this with your eyes open. You can do this anywhere. All you need is your breath, your mind, and you can enter into this state at any time.